Welcome to Fishbowl Custom Reports Training. Sometimes your report comes with a sub-report, and this video will show you two ways to install that on your server computer. First, save the sub-report file somewhere you can find it, like on your computer desktop. Then, we need to save it in a specific location. Now, this can only be done on the server computer, and if you're there, you may have a shortcut to the Fishbowl server. If so, right-click that and click Open File Location. Then go up one level to Server, down Report to Reports, and then into the Custom folder. If you don't yet have a custom folder, do not manually create one now. We want Fishbowl to automatically create that, otherwise it won't recognize it. And if you don't have one, use the second method I'll show you next instead. But if you do, open the custom folder, and then copy the subreport and paste it, or just drag and drop into the custom folder. That's it, you're all set. Once again, if you don't have a custom folder, or if you don't have access to the server computer, here's a way you can get around that. This time we'll simply use the report module upload button, like we do with a normal non-subreport. Click Browse, select the subreport, click Open, Next, and don't worry about changing the name or selecting a folder. You'll see why in a second. Okay, now the subreport has been loaded to the server, but we don't want the subreport sitting here because we don't run that by itself. Rather, we let that run within the main report. So I'll click Delete to remove that. That only removes the shortcut here. It does not remove the actual file on the computer. And with the report and the subreport in place, now we can run the report successfully.